Fellas, let's keep it 100. Most dudes think they need surgery, fillers, or crazy genetics to have a sharp jawline, when in reality, your beard can fake 80% of that for you if you know how to shape it. In this video, I'm breaking down the beard contour cheat code, how to use your beard to literally create an artificial jawline. No filters, no surgery, just geometry, grooming, and the right routine. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you the one mistake that makes your beard look soft and round instead of sharp and masculine. Let's get into it. Before we even touch clippers, we need foundation. You cannot build a sharp jawline on a dry, crunchy, unmoisturized beard. That's like trying to line up a Brillo pad. So step 0 is prep. And this is where beard oil becomes non-negotiable. Right after you wash your face or get out the shower, while your beard is still slightly damp, you're going to apply a few drops of beard oil into your hands, rub it together, and work it all the way into the beard and the skin underneath. You're not just oiling the hair, you're treating the skin, because healthy skin underneath grows a denser, fuller beard. Fuller beard equals more coverage, equals more jawline to carve. With something like the Ocean View brand beard oil, you're doing 3 things at once. Softening the beard so it's easier to shape, adding natural shine for that HD outline effect. Nourishing the follicles so they actually fill in over time. The goal right here is a beard that's soft, cooperative, and not fighting your clippers. If your beard is dry, your lineup will always look patchy and frizzy. If your beard is prepped and oiled, your lineup will look clean and intentional. Now let's talk neckline, because this is where most dudes ruin their jawline. If your beard just fades into your neck with no structure, it makes your face look round and heavy. We're not doing the thick neck cloud today. Take 2 fingers, place them right above your Adam's apple. Where your top finger lands, that's your beard neckline. Everything below that line, clean it up. Use your trimmer or razor to create a smooth, curved line from behind one ear, under the jaw, to behind the other ear, passing right over that 2-finger mark. Instantly, you've separated face from neck. That's step 1 in faking a stronger jaw, giving your beard a base to sit on instead of letting it melt into your throat. Quick tip, after you shave that area, rub a tiny bit of beard oil on the edges of that line, not to grow hair there, but to calm the skin and keep that contrast clean. Red, irritated skin kills the illusion. If this is already opening your eyes, drop jawline hack in the comments so I know you're locked in. And do not click off early. Step 3 is where we literally redraw your cheek line to fake a brand new bone structure. Now we get into what I call the box theory. Look in the mirror. Most guys just follow whatever random curve their beard naturally grows into on their cheeks. We're not doing that. We're going to draw a shape that makes your face look more angular. Imagine a box or a sharp diagonal line from the top of your sideburn down toward the corner of your mouth. If you have a rounder face, you want a straighter, slightly lower line. That slims the cheeks. If you have a longer face, bring that line up a bit higher and more curved so you don't look too hollow. Use your trimmer to carve that line in slowly. Take small strokes, step back, check both sides. Symmetry is everything. Here's where beard oil becomes a contour cheat code again. When your beard is lightly oiled, the hair lays down and reflects light. The cheek area you shave will look lighter, and the beard area will look darker and more dense. That contrast is what tricks the eye. It makes it look like your cheeks are more sunken and your jaw more pronounced, just like makeup contour, but for men. So after you finish carving that cheek line, brush your beard down, add 1 more small drop of oil, and smooth it over the surface. You'll see that line pop immediately. The next mistake a lot of guys make, they keep everything the same length. When everything is the same length, your face looks like it's sitting in a big, fluffy cloud. We want graduation, shorter up top, denser toward the jaw and chin. Use your clippers with a guard to slightly taper your sideburns down into the bulk of the beard. You don't have to do a crazy fade, just enough so the hair near your temples is shorter and it gets fuller as you move down. Then protect your chin. Do not over trim the hair right at the front of your chin and along the jaw corner. That thickness is literally what gives you the forward jaw look from the side. Think of it like this. The cheeks and sideburns frame your face. The chin and jawline are the 3D effect. Taper the sides, leave the chin slightly fuller, and you've just built a fake jawline in 3D. This last step has nothing to do with clippers, but it makes a huge difference in pictures and videos, mewing, or tongue posture. When your tongue is just chilling at the bottom of your mouth, your jawline looks softer. When you press your whole tongue up toward the roof of your mouth, it tightens your neck and defines your jaw instantly. Try this right now. Look straight at the mirror. Relax your tongue. Look at your jaw. Now press your tongue up to the roof of your mouth, lightly clench your molars, and tilt your chin slightly down. You just gave yourself a bonus jawline. Combine that posture with the beard contouring we just did, and the difference in your selfies, reels, TikToks, everything is crazy. Last thing, this is not a one-time thing. A jawline beard is a maintenance routine. Here's your weekly structure. 2 to 3 times per week. Wash your face and beard. Apply beard oil while it's still damp. Comb/brush it in the direction you want it to lay once a week. Clean up the neckline at that 2-finger mark. Recarve your box theory cheek line, lightly taper your sideburns if needed, and every single time you style your beard, finish with a small amount of beard oil to seal everything in and give that defined, healthy look. A dry beard frizzes out and destroys the shape. A well-oiled beard keeps the geometry you just created. So that's the full beard contour cheat code. Prep with oil, kill the neck beard, carve your cheek box, taper the sides, protect the chin, and use tongue posture to finish the illusion. If you're serious about making this your daily look, stop skipping the beard oil. That's why I created the Ocean View brand beard oil. It's literally built for this routine. Soften, define, and grow. Hit the link in the description, grab your bottle, and start treating your beard like the jawline builder it really is. If this helped you, subscribe for more Black men's grooming and looksmaxxing breakdowns, and drop a comment if you want a full beard growth science video next.